¿Cómo estás, amigo?
Yeah, continue.
Okay, you saw me running, right?
I didn't see you, brother.
Okay,
Yeah.
because I'm very happy to see you guys.
Where are you from, brother?
Afghanistan. I know two that person मेरे पास कुरान भी है और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं मुसलमान हूँ.
Very good.
And I see our Quran and lots of
There are lots of literature.
Yeah, that's very
on
good.
Islam.
The last time I saw in White Ab a Muslim brother who was giving free Quran,
Yeah.
I told him, if you unite the Muslim, I can tell right away that you can receive prayers of Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Brother, look at today how Muslims are united, brother. Can you imagine?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I
Sure.
just told a small thing, unite the Muslims.
There's only one way that you can actually unite the Muslims. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that in the Holy Quran. Right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Quran, Allah says, وَأَتَّسِمُوا بِحَبِلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. And hold fast to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. So what is the rope of Allah, brother?
I'm like, what the? Yeah, knowledge, bro. This Quran is guidance.
So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that hold fast to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. This is the rope of Allah. That's first thing. The second thing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Surah Al-An'am, chapter 6, verse number 1. Allah says, O Prophet, whoever divides the religion into sect, you have got nothing to do with them. Allah will look after their affairs on the day of Qiyamah. Right? So, the basic thing that the Muslims can be united is by holding fast to the rope of Allah strongly and not dividing themselves and following the Prophet and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
How can you hold fast to the rope?
For following the Quran and Sunnah, brother.
Perfect.
For following the Quran and Sunnah. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Atiullah wa atiur Rasul. Obey Allah and obey the Messenger. How are you going to obey Allah and how are you going to obey the Messenger?
By following
the Quran and the Sunnah. Right? Following the Quran and the Sunnah. Right? So when you follow the Quran and the Sunnah, then you know what to follow and what not to follow.
Someone said deen and knowledge, they come side by side. And there are people who read the Quran but they understand nothing. That's very unfortunate.
It's very important that we actually read the Quran and practice it. This was the
It's very easy.
Exactly. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. Right? Allah said so many times in the Quran, Surah Al-Qamar, chapter 54, verse number 17, 21, 24, right? 40. Allah says, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. We have revealed the Quran and made it easy for you to understand and remember.
Yeah.
Right? If this was difficult for people to understand and remember, Allah wouldn't have revealed this.
Yes.
Right?
The other day I was serving a Muslim brother and guess he was a Muslim. And I told him, Islam, you're my brother in Islam. I told him. And the other thing I told him, that Islam is the only complete religion because our last holy book, because our last holy prophet. Is there another religion that has these? Is there another?
Because Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam came to complete the deen. Allah says in the Quran, Allah says, اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا. On this day, I have perfected your religion for you, completed my favors on you, and have chosen for you Islam as a religion. That's true. So the deen has been complete, and the deen has been completed by the coming of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So after the coming of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, there is no other prophet to come, there is no other messenger to come. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Allah says, ما كان محمد أبا أحد من رجالكم ولكن رسول الله وخاتم النبيين وكان الله بكل شيء عليما. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is not the father of any of the men, but he is the last and the final messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to seal up the message. Right, brother? So if you have a copy of the Quran, I'll give you one. And Jazakallah khair. Do you want money? That's okay, brother. We are just looking for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right?
Okay, Jazakallah khair, brother. Allah Hafiz.